This is Sherry with International Patient Facilitators in Cancun, Mexico, and I'm with patient Gina, who had her gastric sleeve plication performed with the surgical team of Dr. Verbunen at the Victoria Center here in Cancun. And this is Gina and I, and we're filling out her paperwork, getting ready for her procedure. We're also with another patient that's named Ben, who had an intragastric balloon procedure performed just before Gina's gastric sleeve plication procedure. Here's Gina just after her surgery was performed. And here we are at the airport 2 days later, and Gina's on her way back to the States. And she had a really good experience, and she'll be back again to visit us for her nips and tucks when she loses the weight that's required. So once again, it's Sherry with International Patient Facilitators in Cancun, Mexico, and we're looking forward to facilitating your bariatric procedures with Dr. Verbunen in Cancun at the MariMed Galenia or Victoria Surgery Center.